Are you ready to get down to brass tacks and conquer the basics of business operations? Use this PPT bundle to pick out the business operation framework that suits your needs. There are 10 unique templates to choose from. Select Template 1 to model your business operations on a government department with focus on security. Optimize your business operations with SlideTeam's PPT deck on Business Operational Framework. Not only that, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Template 2 helps you present a visual structure that keeps track of the work in one place. You could make your workflow more customer-centric with Template 3 and ensure your team knows the company's mission and vision with Template 4. Select Template 5 for a comprehensive view of the work with tasks, process, and people presented. Master the complexities of your business operations with our Business Operational Framework (PPT) templates. Access it by following the link below. Use Template 6 to focus on tracking progress with relevant KPIs. Include the partnerships outside the company with Template 7 and with Template 8, present who you are to an outside audience. Metrics and charts are part of our all-inclusive PPT set to help you ensure there is absolute clarity on work tasks and responsibilities. For more such templates, visit www.slideteam.net.